The most challenging environment here is when the rains start to come through, and it completely changes the atmosphere.
Because the camera's sort of sealed inside its stabilised platform, it does mean that we can film in quite serious rain, which was very difficult before. Let's try static shots because every time we turn into rain, it comes off the lid.
It's sudden, it's severe, it's dramatic, and it's very difficult to film in, and yet it produces some amazing images.
Rain here can be very, very vicious, so trying to keep rain out of the vehicle and protect the equipment so that it's always ready is a tough assignment.
And obviously our task out here is to capture all behaviour and all sorts of weather, so that does mean that a lot of rain is getting on the lenses. So my job is to jump out and clean the lens. And when it does start raining, lions especially get very excited. So it can be quite nerve-wracking when you're focusing on what you're doing, you're trying to stay dry, and there are lions playing and starting to get into this hunt mode. This can make the situation quite tense. Yeah.